Here is an old wives' tale and the truth. Cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis. Let's bust this myth wide open. When you crack your knuckles, you're not grinding bones or tearing tendons. You're just popping gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints. Yep, that's right, it's like your joints are having a mini party every time they crack. And guess what? Science says it's totally harmless. A study even compared long-time knuckle crackers with non-crackers. Spoiler alert, no difference in arthritis rates. So, next time someone gives you the stink eye for that satisfying pop, you can tell them it's a harmless habit. Got any myths you want us to debunk next? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun facts. See you next time, knuckle crackers. Until next time.